Hi, I'm Nick Lopez, president of Bubble Bath Car Wash here in San Antonio, Texas. And it's summer, which means it's road trip time. And we're here to talk about getting those pesky bug stains off the front of your bumper. For this trick, we'll just need a few household items. First, a Tupperware bowl filled with some warm water, your bounce dryer sheets, a few microfiber towels, and if you've got an empty sprayer bottle, that can take the place of our warm bottle of water. So what we're gonna do is, first thing is take a couple of dryer sheets, 3 of them, go ahead and soak them in your water if you're using water. If you're using a spray bottle, go ahead and take a few of them and actually sink them down into the bottle. Now that our dryer sheets have soaked in the spray bottle, you're gonna go ahead and just apply real liberally and then give it some time to sit so that it takes the bug stain out of the paint before you start rubbing it. When you do rub it, you want to make nice, slow, gentle motions. As you can see, our bug wiped right off immediately.
We hope this trick helps all you summertime road warriors out there. And please, from everyone at Bubble Bath, have safe travels. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Bubble Bath CW. Keep it bubbly, San Antonio, and thank you for watching.